Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to crochet a beautiful and stylish rugs. Viewers, not only showing you designing ideas of rugs but also tell you how to crochet rugs. I will take one example for you from whom I will upload a tutorial on my YouTube channel. Previously I have uploaded tutorial of rug on my YouTube channel. Now I will explain it through voiceover. The viewers who know about crochet work and are here to start the designing ideas also learn information about crochet rugs and gain some information. Viewers, this rug is perfect for any room in your home and it is also a great project for beginner. To start, you will need some yarn and crochet hook. I am using a worsted weight yarn and size H crochet hook. You can use any yarn that you like, but just be sure to choose a yarn that is sturdy enough to hold up to everyday use. The pattern for this rug is very simple and it is easy to follow. I will be walking you through each step of the way, so don't worry if you are a beginner. We will start by crocheting a foundation chain. Once the foundation chain is done, we will crochet the first row. Then we will repeat the first row until the rug is desired size. The last step is to sew the rug together. Once the rug is sewn together, you will have a beautiful stylish crochet rug that you can enjoy for years to come. Viewers, if you want to make these type of characters or any animals or flower rugs, then viewers also follow me. For more updates, I will tell you in my next video that how to crochet a rug. Here are some tips for making great crochet rug. Use a tight dense crochet stitch. Work with a durable yarn. Choose a pattern that is easy to follow. Be patient and take your time. I hope viewers you enjoy this video. If you enjoy this video and want more videos like this, subscribe my channel, press bell icon and press option all to alert my daily routine videos that I upload daily for you. Make these rugs for your kids, and if you like it, then also tell in comment section that you are happy with it. Take care. Allah Hafiz.